Now, there is one other step that I have not done here, which is, let's see, target is controller, I think there is unpossess. So possession without trigger volumes. What do you mean, possession without trigger volumes? Let's see. Exiting. A little confused by the wording. Sorry, it's been a long day, so I may just be really dumb right now. we Trust me, 411 is a lot right now. uh, I've only seen possession used with trigger volumes. Oh yeah, you can actually set a possession at just about any time. You don't have to use the trigger volume is just the method by which you tell it to do it. Um, so yeah, like let's say, trying to think, possession. Set an actor, and we'll call this camera, right? And this camera, this is gonna be a really useless one, but we're gonna have this, and then we're going to have a camera sitting like this, right? So let's say we got this here, and you wanted to create kind of a Watch Dogs style game where you can go around and you can take over various cameras. Oh, that's so awful. Okay. Anyways, so got this camera, and there's like you're wanting to watch security guards. Instead of doing this, we go. I guess it has to be a character, doesn't it? No, it should have. It should be. Oh yeah, I guess it does have to be a pawn. Okay, well that's simple enough. We go class settings, parent actor, pawn. Boop. It's now a pawn. There. Is it a pawn? Yes. So now, if we come up here, why are you not working now? Now you're just being hateful. Okay. Okay. Cast to camera. Oh wait, I think I did. Okay, so cast to camera. Unpossess. So we're going to unpossess the actor that we are now. And then we're going to possess the camera. And we're going to set view target. Get camera. Set view target. Target with blend. That's what I'm trying to do. Come on. set this like this, maybe. No, not ignore self. Get player controller. Okay, so now if I run up, should at some point, unless it's choosing to just completely ignore what I'm saying. Why are you not working? You're being rude. Okay. So let's break it down. Let's see where it's pausing at. There must be something here that it's not liking. There we go. Okay. Let me grab this real quick. And let's see if it's just not hitting. It may not be hitting the correct. There. Now it's going to be kind of hard to miss. Okay. So something here is wrong. What is wrong? Well, this is in the player character blueprint, so it should, what it should be doing is doing what it was doing earlier, where it goes in, casts, and then just immediately sets. It may be because I tried to switch this to a pawn. Okay. Force delete. Don't really care. If it damages anything, I really don't care. Get rid of the bad cast node. Get rid of this. Okay. So now, if we hit add new, hit blueprint, and we're going to hit pawn. This is going to be C actor. And let's just go with a cylinder and get a camera. Yeah. Now. Hit compile. C actor. It may actually be this part. Maybe. Let's find out. Really doesn't like this. Very interesting. Looks like it's going straight through it, which means this needs block all. Seems like it's not even registering this as an actor. But if you look, it's like all of the line traces are going straight through it. Okay, well, let's see if I can do a little something something here. Little voodoo magic, trace by visibility instead of tracing by object type. Ah, there we go. So that worked. Yeah, so the problem is for some reason it's not picking up that object as a pawn, even though I made it a of type class pawn. So that was weird, but if I do it this way, it still will cast to the actor, set the view target, possess. Now can I exit back to the main player? That is a good question. If I wanted to do that, what I would probably need to do is either implement this similar functionality into the player character, but change it from a line trace to a get all actors of class for the first person character. Or what I would probably do instead is actually put this into my player controller script instead of the player character script. That way I could actually, no matter what character I'm controlling, they all have the same basic functionality and they all have access to this information, so that no matter which pawn I'm controlling, I can control or I can bounce it to any other pawn. I would probably do that before I would just continuously make this into varying actors. And what I would probably do is in my player controller, I would have a variable that says like last actor or something like that. And as long as that actor was alive, I would populate it with the last actor that I possessed, so that when I switch, like if it was like Watch Dogs where you switch to the cameras, what I would do is I would have it just save my character wherever he was, and then switch the camera and then have it force back to the last pawn. That way I don't have to search for it or do like a get all actors of class or anything like that. I would just go, okay, here's the variable, feed it in, back out. But that's kind of just how I would handle it, to be honest. It's probably more complicated than that, but possibly not. And now I'm really curious, like, if I could get AI behavior for a little game, like you're in a school and you possess a person, you're like a evil, mischievous imp or something, and you're wanting to cause havoc. Maybe like writing graffiti or something like that, and you possess a kid, go and write the graffiti, and the kid gets in trouble, but you've already possessed a different kid to go and do more things, and the whole goal is to not get caught before you could cause X amount of chaos. But if you get caught, then you lose. That would be a pretty fun game, I think. And it wouldn't, like, the only difficult part would be the AI behavior, the actual possession